Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these beautiful blue flower nails. So to start off, I have taken off my previous set and filled it in. And you'll see that on my pinky and my pointer finger, I still have that glitter inlaid in there. And that is okay. I created my design around it, so that way we do cover that old glitter in there. And also, side note, ignore the color staining on my hands. I did a color at work the other day and didn't wear gloves while I colored her hair, so therefore the staining on my hands. But the first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's Pears and Pastries. This color is beautiful. I love this glitter. It's this super pretty blue iridescent super fine glitter. Gorgeous. I've been eyeing this color for a while. Couldn't figure out what to do with it. Finally figured it out. But I'm going to put this on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my thumb because those are the plain ones. Since this glitter is pretty see-through, I decided to swap what I did last time so that way I can cover the glitter on the other nails. Next, I'm taking Light Elegance's Blue Skies of Head, which is a gorgeous, creamy, light blue color. Both of these shades are from the recent spring collection, so if you haven't seen my swatching video of that, go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. And the summer collection is coming out soon. I'm so excited, you guys. Let's see what the colors are. And so I'm painting that blue on my pointer and my pinky finger, and this is going to cover up that glitter that we have underneath. I go ahead and do a second coat of Blue Skies Ahead, even though it doesn't really need it. This color is super high pigmented, creamy, goes on beautifully. And then on my two middle fingers, I'm going to go in with my foil adhesive gel from Jelly Nails 1 because we're going to do some foils. So I put a super thin coat of this on my middle two fingers. And now I'm taking the Colorful Romance foil box from Jelly Nails 1 as well. Remember, I have my discount code for you guys, so go check out her site and buy some things with my discount. And I'm going to go ahead and take out this blue flower foil from the bottom corner. And so here's what my nails are looking like before I add the foils. And you can already see just this color palette is so gorgeous. I am in love with these shades. But I'm going to go ahead and cut out my flowers now. I'm going to do two of the flower bundles, one for each nail, and then I'm going to choose one larger flower for each nail as well. And so I'm going in and I already have that foil adhesive gel already cured on 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Guys, I did buy an LED lamp. I'll be showing it off soon. But I go ahead and I put the foils on, and you guys probably know how to put transfer foils on. You've seen me do it a couple times. They are pretty easy, just making sure to get it really smoothed out and make sure everything has transferred on. So I do 2 flowers for each nail. And I try to do one up high and then one lower just to offset it and still leave space for that gorgeous glitter to come through. So now that the foils are on, I decided I wanted a little something else, but something subtle. So I decided to go back in with my Blue Skies Ahead and just do an edge and outline on the tip of my nails just to give it a little bit more blue. I feel like this really pulls it together somehow. And then on my thumb, I decided to do the same thing just so that way we're kind of even throughout the design. So I go ahead and cap my thumb in blue as well. And for my thumb, I didn't want any more foil, so I decided to add a little bit of bling. So I take my cluster adhesive gel from Jelly Nails 1 as well. And then I'm going to use these little jewelry pieces that I've had forever. Never used them, couldn't figure out what to do with them, but I decided to bring them out today because they do have a rose on it and then they have some little crystals on it, and the blue matches perfectly, goes with my design. So I'm gonna take some of that cluster gel with my dotting tool, and I'm looking at my thumbs together just that way I could do the opposite way. So I take a good chunk of that gel and I put it in the corner, take my tweezers, and I carefully place this jewelry piece. This one is not very curved and my nails are very curved, so it's a little bit tricky to place this on. But I was very curious to test out this gel and everything with it. So once I have the jewelry placed and I have it where I want it, I go ahead and flash cure this in place so it doesn't move. Then I wanted to add a few more crystals, so I'm taking my Swarovski crystals in Crystal Shimmer. This one has more of a blue and orange shift to it, so I feel like it went more than the Crystal AB has more of a pink and purple hue. So here I'm taking more of that gel and I'm really going in and around and making sure I get all of the edges and anything that is not flush with my nail. I'm making sure I shove gel underneath to kind of seal it in, make sure there's no spaces underneath. Then I go in with gel to the side, and this is where I'm going to place my crystals, a larger one right next to the jewelry piece, and then one a little bit smaller next to the large one. And it just creates this really pretty accent jewelry piece. I am loving it. So now I'm going to take my top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And I go ahead and top coat all of my nails. I'm definitely making sure I get all of the edges, especially since I added that blue edging on 3 of the nails, making sure everything is nice and coated in top coat. And on the thumb, I make sure that the top coat is nice and butted up to all of the jewelry pieces and crystals. So here is how my nails came out, and again, I just love this blue. It's so creamy and bright. Like, that's why I left the solid nails plain, because I think this color just stands for itself. And then that glitter is so gorgeous. It's subtle yet so gorgeous and pretty. And then the flowers and the jewelry. I just feel like this set really came together. I had been eyeing the colors as well as the foils for a while, and I finally was able to put together a design in my head and use up all of these items that I've been wanting to use. So you guys will have to let me know down below how you like this set. It's very spring-like. I'm really enjoying it. Let me know down below what other nail designs you'd like to see from me for spring, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!